So right here, I'm getting 2 eggs and cracking them into a container. I'm gonna use eggs, some heavy whipping cream, cinnamon, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And for the cinnamon, you could just put how much cinnamon you wanna put. And once I do that, I'm going to take my fork and I'm going to whisk it up. I'm going to whisk it until, everything just combined together. And I am going to add some more heavy whipping cream to loosen it up because I don't want to have more eggs than liquid. So it's like I'm just going to be frying my bread on a bed of eggs, and we don't want that to happen. So now I'm going to make the cream cheese filling. So this is softened cream cheese. I'm going to only use half of that. I'm not going to use the whole thing because I'm just eating it. And it's still going to have a lot left over. I'm going to do that. I'm going to take some powdered sugar. I'm going to sprinkle some powdered sugar in there. And I am eyeballing everything. I'm going to take some vanilla, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then I'm going to take a little heavy whipping cream to loosen it up some. And then I'm going to whisk it all together. And then off camera, I added some more powdered sugar, and I added sugar as well to get it to the sweetness that I like. So now I'm going to take my bread, and this is my blender because I don't have anything that's round, but you're going to take something that's round and you're going to smash your bread because you want your bread to be soft, because I am going to roll my bread. So on both sides, I'm taking my cup and I'm rolling it, and then towards the end to do a test, you're just going to fold it to make sure that it is not breaking and it's perfect. So now I'm going to take that cream cheese filling that I made, and I mixed sugar, cinnamon, and some butter to do like a little cinnamon sugar butter sauce to put on there as well. And I'm going to spread that, and I'm going to grab me a butter knife, and I'm going to make some swirls as best as I can, but my swirls are not perfect. And then I'm just going to put the amount that I want on there. So once I finish that up, I am going to proceed to roll my bread. I'm only going to roll it twice. So 1, 2, and that's it, to make sure that it's flat as possible at the end. So now I'm going to dip my bread into my wash, and once I do that, I am going to place it on a skillet, and I just seared it till it was to the desired look that I wanted, to make sure that everything was cooked. And this is the final result. I just sprinkled it with some powdered sugar and drizzled some syrup on it, and that's it.